This is a tasty and yummy egg malai curry. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going to make is egg malai curry. This is a very simple recipe and that can be made in few minutes. So come on along with us and we'll show you how to do it. Cut 2 medium-sized onions into small pieces. Next we chop 3 green chilies into 2 pieces. We next need to blend both the green chilies as well as the onions in a blender. That's using a mixie bowl. We drop in the green chilies as well as the onions in the mixer bowl. We have now blended the green chilies as well as the onions in a fine paste. Next we start with the recipe. We place a clean kadai on a stove and switch it on high flame. Next we add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We wait for the pan to get heated up. Now the pan is hot right now and we can drop in the green chilies as well as the onion paste that we have blended into the pan. Continuously fry the ingredients until the raw taste of these ingredients go away and it should be finely cooked. We should continuously stir the ingredients until the color changes too. The raw taste of the green chili as well as the onion has gone away. Next we need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We need to continuously stir the ingredients for 5 to 10 minutes until the raw taste of the ginger garlic too goes away from the rest of the ingredients. Now the ingredients are finely cooked. We need to add half teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, next we add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and salt we can add as per taste. Mix all the ingredients together. We can now switch off the stove and we can move to the next step of adding the next ingredient. Now we add 200 ml of milk that we have kept aside. Now we mix all the ingredients together. We need to switch on a stove and wait for the ingredients to boil until the oil separates. Next we take 5 boiled eggs that we have kept as one of the ingredients for the egg malai. The next step is to cut these eggs into 2 halves as we have done over here. Next we have chopped 1 handful of coriander leaves, and this we will be adding it to the egg malai. This will give a flavor as well as a fragrance to it. And now the ingredients are finely cooked and the oil is separated out from the rest of the ingredients. The next step is to add the eggs to these ingredients. As the ingredients boil along with the eggs, now we can add the chopped coriander leaves. Now we allow the ingredients to boil for a few minutes. The next step, as the ingredients boil, we need to cover up the pan and let the eggs cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now we open the pan after 2 minutes and the eggs are continuously boiling. The next step is to flip our eggs, and by now all the masalas have caught onto the egg. Now we have flipped all the cut eggs in the pan. Now our egg malai curry is ready to be served. This can be had with chapatis or with rice. It's a very good combination. And for the garnishing, we can add some coriander leaves, which will look a very good presentation. And a guest or anybody at home will love to have this egg malai curry. So do try it at home. Well, we hope you like watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find our video really useful as well as informative, please share it along with your friends so they can try this recipe. And if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications of our videos. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.